So our question number 10 is the coefficient of r minus 1, r and r plus 1 term in the expansion of x plus 1 raised to n are in the ratio of 1 gen 3 gen 5. Find the n and r. See in the question r is given, ready? R minus 1, r and r plus 1. So each and every case of kind of example, first of all we go for a general term. See, as we know, our general term is t r plus 1 ncr a raised to n minus r and b raised to r. In the general term r is given, but in this question r is also given, so we have to replace that general term r. We have to replace, ready? Because this r is given in the question also, right? So our general equation we have to replace r is another alphabet, ready? So our general term of this binomial expansion is tr plus 1 ncr a raised to n minus r b raised to r. So over here we have to replace the r by k or any alphabet. So let us take this tk plus 1 ncr a raised to n minus k into b raised to k. This is the general term, ready? General term of our binomial expansion, ready? So putting the value, ready? T k plus 1 nc, we have to put over here k nc k. A is over here, it is first term, which is x raised to n minus k, and b is 1, so it is 1 raised to k. So ultimately tk plus 1 is equals to nck x raised to n minus k, power of 1, whatever it is there, it gives us 1 only. So this is the equation number 1 and the general term of our expansion, ready? In the over here r is replaced by k over here. So in this equation we have to put the values of k different. So first of all we find out this term, these three terms, r minus 1 term, r term and r plus 1 term. So first of all r minus 1 term, ready? For which value of k, if we put in this term, in this k, then we get r minus 1. So we have to put this value of k is equals to r minus 2, because we put r minus 2 plus 1, and then we get t r minus 1. So it is k is equals to r minus 2. So putting this k r minus 2 plus 1 is equals to nc, putting the value of k is equals to r minus 2. So nc r minus 2 into x raised to n minus value of k is r minus 2. So which is given by t r minus 1 is equals to nc r minus 2 into x raised to n minus r plus 2, which is the equation number 2. Value of r minus 1 term, likewise r term, and similar for r plus 1 term. So next, particular for r term, ready? R term, we have to put the value of k is equals to, for which value of k if we put, then we get r term. So over here we have to put k is replaced by r minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel out and remaining is r. So putting this value in the general term, so t r minus 1 plus 1 is equals to nc, k is r minus 1 into x raised to n minus r minus 1. So ultimately it is nc r minus 1 into x raised to n minus r plus 1. Equation number 3, which is the general term of t, which is the term r, ready? R term. And next we go for r plus 1 term. So it is r plus 1 term. So which value of k we have to be, if we put in this k, and then we get r plus 1 term, simply k is replaced by r only, ready? If we put r as a k, then we get t r plus 1 term, so which is ncr into x raised to n minus r, which is the equation number 4. So as we find out the three term, r minus 1 term, r term and r plus 1 term. So over here it is r minus 1 term, r term and r plus 1 term. Ready? The coefficient of these three terms are in the ratio of 1:3:5. Ready? So we have to take the coefficient only. So for particular for first r minus 1 term, which is the coefficient? Coefficient is given by n c r minus 2. Gem n c r minus 2. Ready? Which is for r minus 1. Then we go for r. So r term is of coefficient is n c r minus 1. So it is n c r minus 1. Gem. Third is r plus 1 term. Coefficient of r plus 1 term. So r plus 1 term and coefficient is given by n c r. So n c r is equals to, in the ratio which is given, 1:3:5. So is equals to 1:3:5. So taking the ratio individually 2. Ready? So let us take first and second. So this equation we call 5. So from equation number 5, taking the ratio of first and second. So it is NCR minus 2 upon NCR minus 1 is equals to 1:3. Ready? 1:3. So using for NCR minus 2, NCR is equals to n factorial upon r factorial upon n minus r factorial. So let us use this over here. So it is n factorial upon r factorial is over here r minus 2 factorial. N factorial, r factorial, n minus r factorial. So over here it is n minus this both terms, so because it is minus r plus 2 factorial, which is equals to 1/3 upon, so see over here, this is particular for NC r minus 2. Again we have to put NC r minus 1. So it is n factorial upon r minus 1 factorial and n minus r plus 1 factorial. Ready? So n factorial cancel out. Denominator of denominator is go for numerator. So over here r minus 1 factorial. So if this term is go for numerator, so if we have to write like this, r minus 1 into r minus 2 factorial. Ready? Because n factorial means n into n minus 1, n minus 2 and so on. So r factorial, r minus 1 factorial, r factorial means r minus 1, r minus 1, r minus 2 and so on. So r factorial is given by, we can write like that, r into r minus 1 break. Ready? If we want to write this another term, so let us write r minus 2 factorial. So we go for up to 1. Ready? But we have to, if we want to break, ready, then we have to put over here factorial. Factorial means up to 1. So similar panda we have to use over here. So r minus 1, this term is go for numerator, r minus 1, r minus 2 factorial. Similar for this also. So which is n minus r plus 1 factorial. Ready? And this term is r minus 2 factorial, r minus 2 factorial and n minus r plus 2 and again minus term. So n minus r 2 then 1. So n minus r plus 1 factorial. So it is 1/3 because if we have to cancel out this r minus 2 as well as this both terms. So which is r minus 1 n minus r plus 2, which is 1/3. Cross multiply this, so it becomes 3 into r minus 1 is equals to n minus r plus 2. which is 3r minus 3 is equals to n minus r is equals to 2. So 3r plus r, so which is 4r is equals to n minus 3 become plus 3. So n plus 5. So ultimately 4r minus n is equals to 5. Equation number 6. See over here we have take the first and second ratio of NCR by NCR minus 2 divided by NCR minus 2. So over here 1 by 3, and you have to take next from that you have to do by yourself. How? So taking the ratio of second and third, NCR minus 1 to NCR, and right hand side 3 by 5. And then you get this kind of linear equation Rn in terms of Rn n. Then you get the elimination method, as we know that in the 10th standard we have used the elimination method for finding out these two Rn n. From that you can get the value of R.